One of the most common questions I get from local business owners is, how can I make my website accessible to everyone? Did you know that millions of people can't fully access most websites? Ensuring your website is ADA compliant is crucial for accessibility. ADA compliance means your website is designed to be accessible to people with disabilities, including visual, auditory, and motor impairments. For visual impairments, features like screen reader compatibility, alt text for images, and adjustable font size are essentials. These adjustments ensure that individuals who are visually impaired can navigate your site with ease. For auditory impairments, including captions or transcripts for video and audio content, assist individuals who are hard of hearing, making your content accessible to a wider audience. For those with motor and physical disabilities, ensuring your website is navigable via keyboard or not just a mouse is crucial. This simple change can make a world of difference. And for cognitive disabilities, a simple and clear website layout, readable fonts, and easily understood instructions make navigation easier and more intuitive. Not only does ADA compliance boost your SEO and strengthen your brand, but it also helps you avoid potential lawsuits. More importantly, it shows your commitment to inclusivity and accessibility for all. Take action today and make your website accessible to everyone. Embrace ADA compliance and open your digital doors to millions more. Contact us now to start your journey towards a more inclusive online presence. Thank you for watching.